I'd like to request the directors to please take your respective seats at the presidential table.
Hello.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Kumusta na kayo? Buti. We are overwhelmed to see everyone in high spirit and with that special glow in everyone's faces. Dahil ba ito sa libre? Masaya ang mukha natin pag libre. Pero pa naman, no? Masakit sa bulsa, linggo-linggo, 18. Magiging 20 na sa susunod. So today, as we celebrate our first Confederation Day, we long to make a difference, to further strengthen our friendship and camaraderie, to renew our commitment and maintain our strong Bayanihan spirit. It is also our way of saying thank you to all of you for your unwavering support to CONFICA.
This gathering is made possible by the joint efforts of our energetic leaders and the generous support of our sponsors, whom we will be awarding certificates of appreciation in a little while.
Joining us this afternoon, directors, is a remarkable lady who always have a special place in our hearts, our very own, the Honorable Mabel Elmore. Thank you, Mabel, for sharing your weekend with us.
Okay, without much further ado, may we all rise for the singing of our national anthems.
The CONFICA directors who have been behind the success of the Confederation. We only know them by name. Kilala lang natin sila sa pangalan, pero dahil it's their day today, let's dig deeper into their outstanding accomplishments and qualifications. So let's start with the President. Makinig kayo mabuti, ha? Romy Mercado has served the Philippine government for 12 years as Counterintelligence Operator Project Officer of Counterintelligence Unit. He was the lead investigator, warrant officer. Marami siguro nakusas. Warrant officer under the Criminal Investigation Service. He was also Chief Intelligence Officer of the Department of Justice. Romy was selected by the Philippine government as a scholar to study criminal investigation in the United States of America. After he resigned from the government service, he established an export-import business, and as a businessman, he was recipient of multi-awards such as the Businessman of the Year from the Print Media Practitioners and several civic organizations for excellence and contribution to the economic growth of the country. Before immigrating to Canada in 1989, the family lived in Beverly Hills, California, and managed their own trading business and the publication of the Pacific Rim Business Journal for 5 years in Los Angeles. While in Canada, he expanded several business undertakings in Seattle, Washington, until his retirement in 2001. Romy was born in San Antonio, Nueva Ecija. Married for 40 blissful years to this beautiful lady beside me, former Miss Connie Austria, and then nauna na yung palakpakan. A big round of applause for Mr. Romy Mercado. Our Vice President is Mr. Fernando P. Salanda, born in Balungao, Pangasinan, recently widowed after more than 60 years of marriage. For 38 years, he served the Philippine government under the following capacity: at Philippine Air Force, Armed Forces of the Philippines. He was the Provincial Sanitary Inspector of the province of Nueva Ecija. When he passed the civil service exam for Manila Police Officer, he was appointed Chief of Police of Llanera, Nueva Ecija. He was also the Chief Officer of the Municipal Planning and Development Office, responsible in planning and developing the town of Llanera into what it is today. He was elected Vice Mayor of Llanera, Nueva Ecija, and as Vice Mayor, he was Chair of the Municipal Council. For his religious activities, he was President of Paris Pastoral Council and Grand Knight of Immaculate Conception Council in Llanera, Nueva Ecija. He was also Grand Knight, Knights of Columbus at St. Joseph Council 9469 Vancouver, President of the Filipino Seekers Club for 7 years, and President of the Philippine War Veterans and Ex-Servicemen Society from 2003 to the present. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to Mr.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, a very youthful-looking director, one of the directors of Benfica. This is for Director Freddy Babuno. He is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Commerce, Polytechnic University of the Philippines. Earned his Master's or MBA from De La Salle University. Worked as financial analyst, Central Bank of the Philippines for 13 years. Owner and Chief Executive Officer, WB Realty for 5 years. Economics, Finance Instructor, Polytechnic University of the Philippines for 5 years. Here in Canada, he's the part owner and CEO, Prudential Courier of Vancouver, BC, Chief Business Builder, Look Young Products, Inc., Edmonton, Alberta, and currently incumbent President, the Filipino Seniors Club of BC. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Mr. Freddy Babuno. We have a lady president from Santa Ilocos Sur. This is for Perla de Peralta. She is a teacher by profession. She taught at Camp Primary High School, came to Canada under the sponsorship of her mother and sister Rose Luna. When she arrived in Canada, she worked at McDonald's restaurant, then got employment at the BC Children's Hospital until she retired in 2003. She is now the president of the Filipino Canadian Youth Neuro Society. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Miss Perla de Veronca. Meron po akong isa na lady president naman. And this is for Conchita Hipo. Chin Hipo or Conchita Vergara Hipo was born in Bangka, La Union, Philippines. Married to Luis Hipo, a former production manager of Vanderhurst, Philippines. Chin served the Philippine government for 24 consecutive years, as Secretary of the Philippine Tobacco Administration for 11 years, and promoted to the position of Fire Management Officer 2. The last position she held was Board Secretary of the Philippine Coconut Authority until she opted for early retirement and migrated to Canada. She has been actively involved in various Filipino Seniors Association organizations and is now the president of the Filipino Zodiac Circle of Business Society. Introducing, ladies and gentlemen, big applause for Conchita Hipo.
Maraming salamat, Conchita. So now, ladies and gentlemen, kilala na natin ang ating mga directors, and I would like to take this opportunity to acknowledge our officers. I can just stand to be recognized. We have our Assistant Executive Secretary, Ms. Rose Tedley. Our Treasurer, Dali Olvido. Marami ka na ba nakulit na dyan? Assistant Treasurer of Confica, Mr. Ruben Filipino. And our President, Mr. Romy Mercado, to deliver his welcome address.
Kumusta na po kayo lahat? Okay ba? Gusto niya ata yung may bayad eh. Our distinguished guest, the Honorable MLA, Mabel Elmore, leaders of the community, guests, mga kaibigan, at mga kasamahan. I salute the several leaders of different seniors organizations who were receptive 4 years ago when I approached and asked them to form a coalition among seniors organizations. My objective was to have a collaboration or a unification in terms of promoting unity and cooperation, gaining the trust and unwavering support of several community leaders prompted the inception of the Confederation of Filipino-Canadian Association. Allow me to introduce the leaders who are in unanimity to our endeavors. As I call your name, may I request the leaders to please come forward and join me here.